Today we are making amazing apple galette. So simple, so rustic and so delicious. We need apples and we need phyllo dough. That's it. That's your two main ingredients. First, you need to peel your apples, cut them in small pieces. Also, you will need a little bit of lemon zest. And they're ready to go in your pan. But first I boiled apple cider, and then I put sugar there, apples, cinnamon, little bit of water, to turn my heat down, and covered it for about 15-20 minutes. Your apple will cook on a slow heat and they will become beautiful apple sauce. You can make this apple sauce a few days ahead. You can double amount of apples and make this apple sauce for your future baking. It's up to you. When your applesauce is ready, remove the lid and simmer a little bit more to evaporate all the water. And your applesauce is ready. To cool down, I moved my applesauce to different dish. While it cooling down, I took my other apples and I didn't peel them. I cut them in pieces and then I cut them in thin slices. Then I put them in a bowl, added some sugar, some lemon juice, mixed and put aside for a while. Now, you need your phyllo dough. So divide your phyllo dough in a few sheets and start layering. Put your first phyllo dough on your baking pan, butter it with your melted butter, and then the second sheet of dough you put second sheet of dough perpendicular accordingly, like to the previous sheet of dough, and working and stacking that way all your dough. You kind of want to make a round figure, so every other sheet of dough you place a crosswise, and put the butter on it, and another one place the crosswise and brush it with the butter, and so on until you're done making a really nice base for our apples. Now take your cooled apple sauce and put in the middle of your phyllo dough. Spread it a little bit, and then I put some of the apples just on top of the applesauce, and some of the apples and other slices of apples I just put in a nice pattern around. And this is it. Now you need to cover your galette. Starting from one corner, fold your corner, butter it, then fold next corner of your dough, butter it generously, then the next. And your galette is ready to go to the oven. Bake your galette in a preheated oven for about 20-25 minutes. Guys, it's amazing. It's crispy, it's soft inside, it's so delicious, and it's so simple to make. Apples inside are delicious, aromatic, with cinnamon, very tender. I put a little bit of apricot jam on top of the apples, so they will just look more presentable, shiny, and appetizing. You don't have to do it. Other than that, just let your galette to cool down and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe, and I'll see you in my next video.